So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description. You want to scroll down until we see the downloads. Then you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. You want to see which architecture system type that you have. Some are 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit one. Now once it's been downloaded, I have it right here. You want to double click on it, and then you want to copy the .DLL file. Right click, click on copy, and then we're going to head over to this PC, click on our C drive, Windows, scroll down, System32, and then you want to paste it into this folder. Right click, click on paste, continue. There we go. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. As the scan's running, we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD again. You want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now we're going to type in ASSOC. Click on enter. Now once you've done that, now we're going to type in chkdsk /f/r and click on enter. Now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter. And now you want to wait for the first scan, the SFC scan, to be done. Then you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.